Morning everybody, I'm going to explain to you how you can create a route with routexl for your PO6 of M3. Go to Google and start typing routexl.com. Once you're there, you're going to import your addresses of the stops you want to have for your route. So make sure that you prepare them before you create your route. Just select them, copy them, and put them there. If you have a complete list, you can copy and paste the whole list straight away. And then if you're done, or when you're done, you're going to put in import. Oh my god, I forgot one. I forgot to add tutor park. I can always add an extra one by clicking on the button import again. So I can also add a tutor park. Import. Now I have them all, as you can see, and now I'm going to make sure that the Haarlemmer Lyceum is going to be my starting and my finishing port by clicking on the bal on de Coubertinlaan and say start here and finish here. Then find my route, but first I'm going to put it in options on a bike tour. And I find my route and I get a bike tour. If I choose car, it will be a car tour. If I choose bus, it will make a bus tour by public transport. If I click on addresses, I see all the addresses and I know in which order they are made. I copy that one so I know which stop is going to be first, second, third, etc. That's what you do. You can download the route, the map, etc., and put that in your final version of your hop on, hop off tour.
That's all, folks.